Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, in this video, we are going to discuss about the next Python interview question is nothing but very simple. Explain the concept of, the concept of nested loops. We know very well what is mean by this nested loop, as the name itself is giving very clear clarity. Nested loop means what? A simple definition, friends. A loop inside another loop, a loop inside another loop is called as nested loop. Sir, if you are taking a loop inside another loop, then it is called as what? Nested loop. Really such type of scenarios will come into the picture? Yes, definitely. I want to take some one or two examples to demonstrate this. For easy understanding purpose, first I am going to take a loop which is going to generate the numbers from 1 to 5. How you can write that one? Very simple. For each j value in the range of 1 comma 6, can I print the value called j? Yes. What it is going to print? It will print the value of j. What is the output that we are going to get? Since the j values are generated from 1 to 6 minus 1, which is nothing but 5. So it is going to print the values from 1 to 5. If you want, you can see we are getting the values from 1 to 5 like this. Sir, can I print in a single line? Yes, you can use a separator. Okay. So we can use separator like I'm giving a space. So what will happen if you run the program? Separated by space, it is going to print. Sir, we should not use a separator. We have to use the end because it is transferring the control, right? That's why. Now you can see we are getting the numbers from 1 to 5. This is nothing but a simple loop I have written. Sir, I need to take a loop inside another loop. Okay. I want to take a loop inside another loop. Sir, can I take here one more loop? Like for each I value in the range of 1 to 6. Inside this, I am taking another loop. So what will happen? How many times this inner loop is going to execute? 5 times. For every inner loop execution, we have outer loop is there. So when the value of I is equal to 1, how many j values we are getting, sir? Sir, your j value is 1, your j value is 2, your j value is 3, your j value is 4, your j value is 5. For which value we are going to get like this? Whenever the value of I is nothing but 1 means we are getting j values. Sir, when I is equal to 2, again these j values will become so 1 to 5 like this. For I is equal to 3, again these j values will become from 1 to 5. Like that it will work. So for every iteration of I, again j is going to be repeated for 5 times. So how many messages we are going to get? How many numbers it is going to print? Sir, 5 into 5, 25 numbers we are going to get. Sir, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that, how many times, sir? 5 times we are going to get. Let me check what will happen. Sir, if you run this code, you can see first iteration, second iteration, third iteration, fourth iteration, fifth iteration. Like that we are getting. Sir, seems to be okay, but we have a small doubt here. Can I print this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and in the next line the second row? How you can do that? Sir, this is innermost loop, right? Inside this, after coming out from this innermost loop, as a part of outermost loop, If you take this print statement, automatically we are going to get like this. I hope like this you have seen a different kind of pattern programming is also there. In our YouTube channel itself, these pattern based programs are available. So I will give that link in the cards. You can verify it later, or you can search even in our channel playlist is there for that. Okay. Right, friends. I hope you understood what is mean by nested loop, how you can able to use this nested loop. Okay, clear, right? Thank you, friends.